Welcome to Auto. In this guide, I will show you how to install Ubuntu Linux on your PC or laptop with a simple step-by-step process.
Step 1. Download the Ubuntu ISO from the Ubuntu website. Step 2. Use Rufus, Windows, or Etcher to make a bootable USB. Step 3. Plug the USB into your PC or laptop. Step 4. Restart your PC and press F12/F2/ESC/DL to open boot menu. Step 5. Select the USB drive to boot. Step 6. Click Install Ubuntu. Step 7. Select your keyboard layout and click Continue. Step 8. Choose Erase Disk and install Ubuntu or install alongside Windows. Step 9. Select your time zone. Step 10. Create your username and password. Step 11. Wait for installation to finish. Step 12. Restart your PC and remove the USB. Step 13. Ubuntu is installed. Log in and use it.